Well, I'm pretty sure I know that you are one who is really eager to learn English, and therefore you are every day practicing some languages. But you are not sure whether your practice session is quite fine, improving your language or not. Today we are focusing 5 rules. If you can follow these 5 rules every day, you can do better in your English language. For example, read every day 10 new words and try to use these 10 words in your sentence or in your writing or in your conversation. Okay, let's talk to a friend every day for half a minute, maybe for a minute, maybe for 5 minutes. Ask him 10 questions, answer them. Again, you be asked 10 questions by him and answer them. Let's read something new, whether it is from a newspaper or a magazine or a book. You can read 10 or 20 sentences every day. These sentences are of different ideas, maybe that's about political, historical, or sports news, or that is what you like more to read. These are the very important ways to be practicing a language and develop a language. Next, that is last not the least, make a video for a half a minute. If you can make a video for half a minute, that will change your language and that will help you to be confident to stand in front of the millions. Thank you everybody for watching. Learning any language, I mean foreign language, for example, English is a foreign language. In the same, if anybody wants to learn Bengali language outside of our country, Bengali becomes a foreign language to that individual. So learning a language needs every day's practice. In our today's class session, we have decided to practice 6 very widely used structures. These 6 structures are he tries to do, she korte cheshta kore, he tried to do, she korte cheshta korechilo, he will try to do, she korte cheshta korbe, he is trying to do, she korte cheshta korche, he was trying to do, she korte cheshta korchilo, and he has number 6 tried to do, she korte cheshta koreche. Now, how are we going to make more sentences? We have written on the board 15 words, practice words. Practice words, say to do korte, to go jete, to know jante, to learn শিখতে, to buy কিনতে, to play খেলতে, to swim সাঁতার কাটতে, to say বলতে, to answer উত্তর দিতে, to question প্রশ্ন করতে, to sell বিক্রি করতে, to drive চালাতে. Now how are we going to practice? For an example, he tries to drive, he tried to drive, he will try to drive, he is trying to drive, he was trying to drive, and he has tried to drive. That's how we will be practicing rest of the sentences. Thank you. In our today's class, we have set or written 3 sets of structures. There we are focusing on present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, present continuous, and present perfect. And there we have written 10 sentences. In one sentence is followed by I, another sentence is followed by he. Our students can write, read, speak, understand the grammar structure when they are working with I. But if it is he, she, they, or the subject is changed, they get confused. To remove their confusion, we have written first I, then verb, then we have written he, then verb. For an example, আমি করি I do, সে করে he does, আমি করেছিলাম I did, সে করেছিল he did, আমি করব I will do, সে করবে he will do, আমি করছি I am doing, সে করছে he is doing, আমি করেছি I have done, সে করেছে he has done. It is a full of game of আকার, একার, রস্বীকার. I repeat, আকার, একার, রস্বীকার. If we have the confusions about akar, ekar, roshikar, we cannot clear the sentences 100%. Therefore, when we are practicing these kind of sentences, we have to be sure of giving an information to our brain, the difference between akar, ekar, roshikar. আমি লিখি I write, সে লিখে he writes. আমি লিখেছিলাম I wrote, সে লিখেছিল he wrote. আমি লিখবো I will write, সে লিখবে he will write. আমি লিখছি I am writing, সে লিখছে he is writing. আমি লিখেছি I have written, সে লিখেছে he has written. So আকার একার রস্যিকার to be sure, to confirm the sentences, and if you can clear that, you would not make a mistake while speaking and writing. Even if you read something, you can understand the sense of the sentence. Now practice the last one. I write, he writes. I am writing, he is writing. I will write, he will write. I am writing, he is writing. I have written, he has written. Thank you for watching the class and enjoying the class. A very, very good day to you all once again. Learning English language needs some technical ways to be practiced practically. In our today's class, which a few minutes ago was finished, the students were given a few important tasks, techniques which would help them to speak definitely a lot of sentences together. First of all, we have given them some sentences. They were really big. For an example, I have wanted to tell you a lots of words, but unfortunately, I have forgot all to say to you. So now I am trying to remember what exactly I have wanted to tell you. Inshallah, hopefully, I would tell you this matter a few minutes later. And then we have given them a breath competition. There you have to remember at least 25 or 50 or 75 or 100 verbs together. For example, we have asked them to tell a sentence just like that. I am sleeping, I am running, I am playing, I am working, I am washing, I am watching, I am trying, I am swimming, I am changing, I am collecting, I am considering, I am confirming, I am cancelling, I am asking, I am answering, I am selling, I am buying. But well, today we are going to share some informal structures with you. If you know this structure, you are really doing great, because whenever you have to talk to a friend, or you have to listen to a friend or colleagues or some of your mates, you might hear this kind of structures many more times. For example, I am gonna say, it means I am going to say. Gonna means going to. We are gonna say, it means we are going to say. He is gonna play, it means he is going to play. He is gonna swim, he is gonna watch, he is gonna walk, he is gonna wait, means he is going to wait. So if we use these structures and listen to these structures, it will be really great for us to reply after listening to these structures whenever our friends talk in an informal situation. And in the same, we say he wants to talk to you. So we can say he wanna talk to you. He wants to go there. He wanna go there. I wanna go there. We wanna go there. You wanna go there. He wanna go there. I mean, he wants to go there. And another very, very common structure, I have to go. Or rather, we can say, I gotta go. You gotta go. Okay. He gotta talk to you. She gotta talk to you. I gotta talk to you. I means I have to talk to you. I gotta answer these questions. It means I have to answer this question. This is how we can structure. We can use, sorry to say, there is a gap of word. We have to use this kind of structures in informal situation, and that will lead us to talk more some sentences, to talk on some more sentences, to develop our expression of thinking, expression of idea, expression of answer. That's it, everyone. Good day.